first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery and remove the battery. Okay, after you've removed the battery, you can just leave those hangers in there, but down here by the pulley. Okay, I lost some footage, but in order to remove the old PTO engagement cable, you need to depress the two plastic tabs that are holding it firmly into the slot. Okay, you start to feed the cable, the new part, up through the space, and you feed the wire, the actual cable, into this slot down here. Let's get you into a good spot here. Alright, this is actually a good spot. Let me just move those wires. Feed the wire, then push the connector through the wall. There we go. All right, hopefully you saw. Okay, you've got to take out these hangers now. Separate that there. Here's the end that you need to hook and attach, and this is the correct way actually to connect it into the hook, into the hole there. So you're going to do, here's what you're going to do. You're going to do something like this, where you press the end into the hole and then angle up until it sits like this. Until it sits like this. So here's, you're going to, there, once again, you're going to press into the hole and bend up so that it sits like that. Now the hole is a lot smaller than this. It's inside on the lever here. So we'll just get down here and make this the hardest thing to do. All right. I need my needle nose pliers. Okay, we're still in the battery box. We've got the cable attached down the bottom there. And then where we need to attach the end of that is we need to poke that end through a hole. And it just sits there and hangs. And the hole that we need to attach it to is this tiny one right there. And so we are going to reach down, grab the cable, stick it in the hole straight until we get to the 90-degree bend. There's that 90-degree bend in the pin. Push the pin through to the 90-degree bend, and then let it hang, and it'll seat into place correctly. All right, let's get that done. This is very difficult to have you also see what we got. This is the hole here. Just place it in to the 90 degrees. Wiggle a little bit. A little bit of wiggle. Turning. And there we go. Come on. This is not easy. All right, it is not wanting to go in there, and it's really difficult to get this thing seated properly. Hang on, let me try to get two hands on it, figure out what's going on. Okay, let me just go ahead and explain what I was able to do. There's the other end, waiting for the deck to arrive. Now, I approached it from the front. Most people's arms can fit this direction, this side. So, but what you got to do is put it in the engaged selection. So you got to slide this forward, right? And then back here, you look up, and then right there in the center of the shot, you'll see this aluminum piece here, which is the exact piece that you need. But this position is much better to go ahead and wiggle and get that aluminum into the correct position, hanging straight down. So there you go, and now you can connect your deck.